NMMS 2023 Part 7. 121. Ascending and descending cones are formed by this action. Our options are A. Groundwater function, B. Function of waves, C. Function of winds, D. Volcanic activity. Here our right option is A. Groundwater function. 120. The main feature of the Earth being joint shape. Our options are flattening at equatorial circle, B. North pole bulge, C. Bulge at the south pole, D. Flattened at both poles and inflattened near the equator. Here is a clue. The Earth's shape is often described as a geoid, which literally means Earth shaped. The Earth is flattened at the poles and bulge at the equator. The difference of 42 kilometers in diameter is the proof of regarding the Earth as a geoid. Here our right option is D. Flattened at both poles and inflattened near the equator. 123. The correct order of atmospheric zones. Options A. Transitional, intermediate, external, thermal. B. Transitional, isothermal, intermediate, external. C. Solid, transitional, intermediate, external. D. Isothermal, intermediate, external, thermal. Here our right option is B. Transitional, isothermal, intermediate and external. 124. Read the following statements and choose the correct answer. Statement A. Extraction of the magma from the Earth's interior is called volcanism. Reason R. Magma is ejected through the vents by the internal energy of the Earth. Our options are A. Statement A is incorrect. B. R is correct. A is not completely. C. Both A and R are correct but irrational. D. Both A and R are correct and proportionally to each other. Here is a clue. Volcanoes, magma, rock fragments, lava, ash, steam, flames and other gases are emitted from the interior of the Earth. A passage in the Earth crust through which magma and other volcanic materials are ejected is called vent. Option B is right. Both A and R are correct and proportional to each other. 125th. Which statement is correct with respect to the world time zones? Option A. There are 24 time zones in the whole world. B. There are 12 time zones in Russia. C. There are 3 time zones in USA. D. There are 5 time zones in Australia. Here is the answer. The whole globe is divided into 24 such a time zones. But the time in each zone differs from the other by only 1 hour. Russia has 11 time zones, USA and Canada have 5 time zones, and Australia has 3 time zones. In this option A is right. There are 24 time zones in the whole world. 120. Seabed landform suitable for fishing and aquaculture and navigation is options are A. Slope of continental shelf, B. Continental shelf, steep ocean floor, D. Oceanic depressions. Here is a clue. Continental slope. The shelf is very important for fishing, aquaculture, navigation and extraction of minerals. Option B is our right one. Shelf. 127. Flat mounded geodes are found here. Options are A. Slope of continental, B. Continental shelf, C. Deep ocean floor, D. Oceanic depression. Here is the answer. The deep sea plain. In this region, sea mounts and geodes are found. Option C is right one. Deep ocean floor. 128. This is called as a lake killer. Options are A. Global warming, B. Greenhouse effect, C. Acid rain, D. Ozone. Here is the answer. Acid rain is also referred as a lake killer. 129. Identify the correctly matched pair of metamorphic rocks. Options are A. Granite, schist, B. Sandstone, marble. C. Limestone, Genesis. D. Graphite, diamond. Here is a right metamorphic rocks examples: graphite, diamond. Our right option is here D. Graphite, diamond. 130. This is an active volcano. Options are A. Fujiyama of Japan. B. Stromboli of Italy. C. Krakatoa of Indonesia. D. Arthur's Seat of Scotland. Here is a answer. Active volcanoes which constantly eject lava, gases, ashes are known as active volcanoes. Example: Mount Stromboli and Mount Etna in Italy. B option is right. Stromboli of Italy. 131. The contact zone of the crust and mantle is called. Options are A. Gutenberg zone, B. Asthenosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Mohorovics. Here is the answer. Mesosphere is a solid condition. The contact zone of the crust and mantle is called Mohorovic discontinuity. Option D is right one. Mohorovics. 132. Rocks are broken into particles by the temperature, rain and snow is an example for. Options are A. Physical denudation, B. Chemical denudation, C. Biodenudation and D. Natural denudation. Our right option here A. Physical denudation. 133. These countries are most affected by the acidic rain in the world, so the area are called black triangle. Options are A. Java, Indonesia and Sumatra, B. Italy, West Germany and France, C. Poland, Czech Republic and Southeast Germany, D. England, Finland and Hungary. Here is the answer. Acid rain is referred as a lacular and black triangle. Stretching over the Poland, Czech Republic and Southeast Germany is one of the worst acid affected region in the world. Our right option is C here. Poland, Czech Republic and South Germany. 134. The aggregate humidity in a given volume of atmosphere is called. Options are A. Integrated humidity, B. Relative humidity, C. Specific humidity and D. Maximum humidity. The right option is here A. Integrated humidity. 135. This is an unique landform formed by glaciers. Options are A. Alluvial sedimentation, B. Shilasopana, C. Pedestal, D. Swallowing hole. Our right option here is Shilasopana or moraines. 136. This zone of temperature known as a calm zone, doldrum. Options are A. North subpolar low pressure belt, B. North polar high pressure belt, C. South polar high pressure belt, D. Equatorial low pressure belt. Here is the answer. Equatorial low pressure belt. Hence air is always very warm and hot. This is a calm region with a very little wind. So it is known as doldrum, means belt of calm. D is our right option. Equatorial low pressure belt. 137. This is the most selling water body in the world. Options are Dead Sea, Sambar Lake, C. Van Lake and D. Red Sea. Here is the answers. Saline water bodies of the world. The Lake Van, Turkey, 330 ppt. Here option C, Van Lake. 138. The reason for the rise of water level in sea. Options are A. High rainfall, B. Flooding of rivers, C. Sand mining, D. Global warming. The world getting warmer, climatic zones are shifting, glaciers are melting and sea level is rising due to global warming. Here D option, global warming, is right. 139. The scientific study of atmospheric condition of a place for a short term. Options are A. Climatology, B. Meteorology, C. Seismology, D. Ecology. The answer: the scientific study of weather is called meteorology. Option B is right, meteorology. 140. This is the correct order of stages of river from start till end. Option A is this is the correct order of stages of river from start till end. River source, tributary, confluence, river mouth. B. Tributary, confluence, river mouth, source of river. C. Confluence, river mouth, river source and tributary. D. River mouth, source of river, tributary and confluence. Here A option is right, river source, tributary, confluence, river mouth. 141. Rock collapses and cave roof collapses are the cause of this natural disaster. Options: A. Landslide, B. Volcano, C. Tsunami, desertification. D. Option A. Landslide is right one. 142. Limestones absorbs carbon dioxide from the rainwater and becomes calcium carbonate. This type of chemical weathering is, our options are A. Oxidation, B. Carbonation, C. Hydration, D. Solution. Option B is a right one, carbonation. 143. Clouds that bring constant rain. Option A, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds, cirrus clouds, nimbus clouds. Here is a clue: nimbus. The nimbostratus are thick, heavy rain bringing clouds. Our right option is here D. Nimbus clouds. 144. Given below are the names of the local winds and countries. The correct arrangement of the winds or countries is: first, wind's name Chinook, second, Mistral, third, Brickfield, Blizzard. A. Antarctic, B. USA, C. France, and D. Australia. Our right option is here A. 145. A narrow strip of water body joining two large water bodies is called, options are Khari, B. Bay, C. Strait, and S. Thomas. Here is the answer. A strait is a narrow strip of water body joining two large water bodies, Park Strait and Strait of Gibraltar. Here, option C is our right one.